Welcome to the Sekonic L308DC Quick Start video series. In the videos that follow, we'll help you set up your meter, guide you through the basics of light metering, and even show you a few advanced tricks. Let's get started. In this first video, we'll illustrate how to get your L308DC up and running and give you a brief overview of its basic functions. First, let's install the battery. Simply slide down the battery compartment cover on the back of the unit and insert the battery. The L308DC takes one AA battery. Power the meter on by pressing and holding the power button. The unit is now ready to operate, but before we start metering, let's take a brief tour of the different metering functions the L308DC has to offer. The Sekonic L308DC has three special metering modes that you can choose from: HD Cine mode, which is the default setting, Cine mode, and Photo mode. You select your desired setting by holding down the mode button while the meter is still off and pressing the power button. Once your meter is powered on, you will be able to navigate through the different metering modes by pressing the mode button. After you have selected the metering mode that fits your shooting needs, press the power button to lock in your setting. This will also turn your meter off, but when you power your meter back on, you will be in the mode you chose. Again, we'll discuss all of these modes in detail later. Each metering mode displays exactly what you need to know for the camera you are using. HDC mode displays exposure settings in shutter speeds and apertures, just like your camera. The T icon stands for shutter speed. The F icon stands for f-stop. The up and down buttons let you change your exposure settings. In the upper right-hand corner, you will see the ISO setting. This can be adjusted by holding down the ISO button and pressing the up or down buttons on the side of the meter. You can set your meter to read for either incident or reflected light by adjusting the lumisphere or adding the accessory lumidisc. The videos in this series will concentrate on meter functions and metering used when recording moving images. But the L308DC is also a great meter for still photographers. If you're taking single images with an adjustable film or digital camera, you will want to select Photo mode. In this mode, the 308DC works exactly like the Sekonic L308S. To learn about using your meter in photo mode, refer to the L308S video series on the L308S product page. To learn more about using your meter in HD Cine and Cine mode, continue watching the videos in this series. This concludes our quick overview of setting up and operating the L308DC.